Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I've got home from work today and my Birchbox has arrived. I thought it was going to be here on Saturday because I had noticed a couple of others had it, and but no, mine turned up today, so I didn't miss it after all. Now, before I unbox this, I just want to say thank you, because I have hit my 700 subscriber target, which means that my giveaway will be getting drawn very soon. I'm just going to wait a few days before I draw it, because very often my subscribers can go up, but they also go down. And as I'm about to upload this video, I'm very likely to take a bit of a hit. So what I think I'm going to do is, it's my birthday on Friday, so I am going to, I think I will close the giveaway on Thursday night at, what should we say, at midnight on Thursday night. We'll close it then, and then I will do the draw on Friday morning, and I shall get it uploaded for you, and yeah, then it'll be up to the winner to get in touch with me. So if you haven't already subscribed to my giveaway, there's still a chance. Pop a little card up here, head on over and check that out. But without further ado, drum roll, let's get into this. It sounds like it's broken, listen. It doesn't sound very well packed at all, so I'm a bit nervous about opening it. Let me get some scissors. Oh, I can't find anything. I don't know where my scissors are. Ah, let's just rip it open. Ah, there we go. So, get into it. And it is pretty. So, here we go. How beautiful is that? So, very tropical. It's just clunking around. It is a beautiful looking box. Obviously got your Birchbox on here. So for those that don't know, Birchbox is a monthly subscription box, and I feel like we're all a bit clashy with my wallpaper. Oh, this is dreadful. So it's a monthly subscription box. It costs £10 plus £2.95 postage and packaging. I have a code if you've not had it before and you want £5 off your first box. I shall pop the code across the screen, and I will also pop it in the description box down below. So if I forget on the screen, check the description box and there'll be a link for you to click on and get a £5 off your first box. Without further ado, because it's already been 3 minutes, ooh, let's get in. So nothing's broken, I don't think, just clunky clunk. So let's see, I'll get the card out, which tells us a bit about it. So it says palm leaves and warm breeze, and it's been that. Oh, what an amazing few days in the UK. The weather's been stunning. And so yes, it's the May 2018 box. Yeah, I was just looking at the sneak peek for next month. Woo. So let's open up. So this month we did get to choose a lip product between one of 2 shades. So I'll start off with that because I know I've got it. And it is by, I think it's Douce, I think is how you pronounce it. And it's just a little bottle, and it says Luscious Lip Stain, and it was either Steaming Red or Amber Rose, and I asked for the Amber Rose. And, ooh, there we go. Let's have a look at, ooh. Right, let's see, I've got nothing on. Excuse the stare at me, I've literally just walked in. I don't know if I like it. Okay. I really need to get into liquid lips because I just don't use them. And I should do with my job really, because it'd be handy just to put it on in the morning. So actually it's better on. There we go. Let's see what it says. It says, blah, 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 wave goodbye to lipstick touch-ups. This pigmented liquid formula applies matte, dries fast so it won't transfer onto anything and lasts for hours. Even better, unlike other matte lip products, this long-lasting formula glides on smoothly for comfortable all-day wear. And the RRP for that would be 21 squidaroonies. So that would be for a full-size product. This one isn't full-size, but it feels comfy. So we'll see what that's like by the end of the video. And it's not even transferring. And that's literally only just gone on. So that's a winner for me. Oh, what does it say as well? Sorry. Hello, Birchboxers. We're marking May's arrival with a look ahead to warmer times. Yes, we're dreaming of ditching the layers and slipping on a sundress in anticipation. We're here to help you breathe fresh life into your beauty routine with an energising organic shower treat and a brightening lip stain in every Birchbox this month. Say alpha to the first signs of summer. Oh, not alpha, aloha. I thought alpha was a strange thing to say. Say aloha. In fact, we can do better than aloha. Here we go. I'm saying aloha, because don't we all have a floral garland just hanging around for when you need it? Right. Oh, I'm sorry. So next thing we've got is, what is this? So it is natural body wash. Da, da, da. And it is Green Frog Botanic Geranium and Peppermint Botanical Body Wash. Ooh. Let's sniff it. Ooh, it smells. Oh, it smells lovely. I keep seeing myself. I look a mess. Let's get rid of that. Oh, I should prepare, but I never do. So here we go. It says it's not just the brand name that's green. This organic formula is cruelty-free, vegan, and completely free from chemical nasties. Brimming with moisturizer, aloe vera, and saponin-rich serp berries. This gentle wash cleanses your skin whilst maintaining pH levels. It's great for sensitive skin, eczema and psoriasis. So I really, really like the look of this. This is handy for me to take to my little caravan. So yeah, nice little product. Oh, this is what's clunking about. Oh, the lid wasn't on properly. There we go. Lid is now on. Why was that off? So this is Native Unearthed Activated Charcoal Natural Deodorant Balm. Well, that's a bit weird. Not had anything like this before. It says, who said you have to rely on harsh chemicals to keep unwanted odours at bay? This all-natural cream forgoes chemicals in favour of sweat-absorbing arrowroot, antibacterial coconut oil and soothing shea butter. Just smooth a pea-sized amount onto clean underarms to form an invisible shield. Simple. And this RRP for this is $7.99, and it is a 4-star review on Birchbox. Okay, so I'll give it a go. It smells pleasant and it feels, yeah, we'll see. I've never tried it before, as I say, but yeah. I'll feed back on you, let you know how that performs. Next thing, oh, do you know, I can't believe this. I got this recently. I think, and this is the Caudalie Makeup Removing Cleansing Oil, and I think I got this in my latest in beauty box. I think I chose it as one of my selections, and it's another 4-star product review on Birchbox, and RRP is £18. So you might have tried oils for hydrating your hair and body, but what about for cleansing your skin? This 100% natural blend of sunflower, sweet almond and grape oils is a must for all skin types. Just massage onto dry skin to dissolve makeup, add water, then rinse away to leave your skin clean and soft. As I say, I've already got one, so I think as I've now reached 700 subscribers, I need to start saving for my 1,000 subscribers. This may go into a giveaway. Next thing and last thing is this by Ico, and it's a skinny liquid liner. I may have one of these, or it might be the fat one. I'm not sure. So RRP is £16. 4-star product again on Birchbox, and it says, whether you're a newbie or a winged eyeliner pro, this easy to use pen style applicator will have you lining and defining your eyes in a flash. Use the tip to draw a few dots as close to your upper lashes as possible, then simply connect the dots for a goof proof line. The fade resistant formula will last all day and night. Is it sealed? Can I show you it? There we go. I will show you on here. So yeah, it's fine. It's a bit like it looks like a brush. Is it a brush or a felt tip? No, it's a felt tip, but it's got a really flexy tip, so that's quite nice, and it's very black. So we shall see as well. So what do I think to my box? It's all right. I think I'm quite pleased with this. It's dried down really nice, and it does feel more like a stain than a liquid lip. So if you don't get on with liquid lips, this would actually be a good thing to try. I like it. It feels nice. We've got the deodorant balm, which is interesting, and I will give it a go. I'm keen to try that. The little shower gel body wash, which smells beautiful. Handy little size, but it is little. How many mils are in it? 50 mils. So it's reasonable, but it's diddy, isn't it? The cord leaf facial oil, which is nice, the cleansing oil. I have been using it, and I do like that. And that is a 30 ml size, which is a good size. And then obviously the Ico liner pen. So not a bad box. So that's it there. There we go. So yeah, not gonna lie, I'm a little bit disappointed that Birchbox hasn't given me anything for my birthday. I'll just have to check my email. I think last year actually, I think I got to choose something off the website, so I shall wait and see. Maybe they'll give me something. Who knows? So as I say, that is it. Make sure that you've got your final call for the 700 subscriber giveaway, closing midnight on Thursday night, and that is UK time. And I'll see you all through the week. I've got my latest in beauty coming, so it'll be here in a couple of days. So thanks again to everybody who subscribes. If you've enjoyed this unboxing in my usual haphazard style, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. And I'll see you all later. I'm just talking nonsense. I need my tea. See you later, guys. Bye.